So today's video is going to talk about the problem with Amazon affiliate marketing. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name's Greg, and in the last year I've made between $20,000 and $30,000 from affiliate marketing alone online. And looking back through my videos and through other videos on YouTube about Amazon affiliate marketing, I noticed that not many people talk about the downsides, and in particular there's one problem with Amazon affiliate marketing and the Amazon affiliate program. Now, you might just be setting off with affiliate marketing yourself, maybe deciding to go with the Amazon affiliate program and just wondering how it all works and if there's any negatives to the apparent positives that everyone talks about, and this video should be just for you. So, what is the problem with Amazon affiliate marketing? Let's not waste any more time. The problem is, it's hard to make lots of money with it. Now, there's lots of factors that contribute to it being difficult to make a lot of money with the Amazon affiliate program, and we're going to talk about those a bit later in the video. But first off, just to set the context, let's talk about how the Amazon affiliate program works. Okay, so assuming you've already created your Amazon affiliate account, Amazon affiliate marketing lets you choose any product off Amazon, which we can see on the screen now, and basically promote it and earn a commission with it. You're going to be able to click on a product that you like, grab your link from the top bar here, and use this link to earn affiliate commission from any sales you make with your unique affiliate link. And if someone clicks on your link, you've got a 24-hour cookie in place. Now, this isn't a sticky cookie, which we'll talk about later in this video. It's a 24-hour cookie. And then when someone's made that purchase of your item, so for example, this t-shirt like we've got on screen now, when they made that purchase in the 24-hour window, you get your commission. And that commission is a one-time commission for that one single sale that you make there and then. So let's have a look at Amazon affiliate marketing in use. If we just jump onto YouTube, you can find a ton of Amazon affiliate videos by typing things in like Amazon fashion haul, like we've got in the search bar here. And if we just click on one of these fashion haul videos, you'll see an example of someone that is using Amazon affiliate marketing on YouTube. So this person has ordered a ton of clothes from Amazon, and if we go down to the description, they are reviewing those clothes and they are linking to each of the clothes down here, as you can see in their description to their video. And this video has got 706,000 views. Just imagine how many people are going from this YouTube video and making a purchase of items when they're on the Amazon site. So it's super easy to set up and use Amazon. If you want to use Amazon links on your YouTube channel, I've actually got a free 40-minute training video showing you how to basically make videos that get attention, get noticed, and make sales. So I'll link you to my free training in the description below. It will take you through to this website. Just pop your name and email address in. I'll email you that 40-minute training video showing you exactly how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. So yeah, on the surface, Amazon affiliate marketing is great. It's amazing for beginners because it's super easy to sign up for their affiliate program. It takes a short time to get accepted, and you can just start copying and pasting that link using the easy button at the top of Amazon and basically putting your links anywhere you can think of and hopefully making sales. It's risk-free because it's completely free for you to sign up and to start putting these links on the web. You're sending people through to a website that is well known. Amazon is one of the most popular websites on the internet, so people trust it already, so they're more likely to purchase from Amazon. And you have a huge choice of products on the website to choose from to get started with affiliate marketing and test out what types of products and what categories sell. But this video isn't called the amazing, awesome benefits and perks of the Amazon affiliate program. It's called the problem with Amazon affiliate marketing. And we're going to talk now about that problem I mentioned earlier, not being able to make much money with the program, all the different components that contribute to that problem. And at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about different solutions that actually negate all the setbacks that the Amazon affiliate program has. So different solutions that are going to give you even more potential to make a lot of money online. So you've set yourself up with the Amazon affiliate program. You know, there's tons of videos out there saying this is an awesome thing to do. What are your problems going to be? Why are you going to be limited in the amount of money that you can make? Well, first off, you've got the problem with cookie duration. As I said earlier when I was introducing the program, Amazon only has a 24-hour cookie tracking system. So after someone sees your link and clicks it, they've only got 24 hours to make a purchase for that purchase to be credited to you. If they wait 25 hours or they decide to do it the following day or like a week's time when their paycheck comes in, you're not getting any money for that sale. But other affiliate programs out there have much longer cookies. Some have 30-day cookies, 60-day, even 90-day cookies I've seen. So that when you link someone to a website at first, you've got between 30 to 90 days for them to come back, remember, you know, that website and make a purchase, and you're still going to get credited for that purchase. So short cookie duration is one setback that's going to stop you from making much money on Amazon. And a second setback is the lack of sticky cookies. So another problem with the Amazon cookie is if you link someone to Amazon, they find a product, they think, oh, that was great, I'm going to buy it tomorrow. And then they see someone else's affiliate link to Amazon, go to the Amazon website and buy the product that they originally saw from your recommendation, but they buy it after they've clicked another link to get to Amazon. Then the last person's link they clicked is going to get credited for that sale. So if I link someone to a football on Amazon, they love it, they bookmark it, but then someone else's Amazon link sends them to a washing machine. They decide not to buy the washing machine, but they think, oh, I'm going to buy that football that I saw 10 hours ago, and they buy it. It's going to be the person that linked them to the washing machine that gets the money for the football sale because they were the last link clicked to send that person to the site. But what sticky cookies do to counteract this issue is basically when you send someone to a affiliate product, it gets them to enter their email address. And then whenever they make a purchase using that email address, the money is sent back to you, the original person that sent that customer to the website. So if I sent someone to a affiliate website and they put their email address in and they bought a football, for instance, I get the commission for that sale. But if they then came back later on and they bought a football outfit and they used the same email address to buy the outfit, I'd get credited for that sale too, even if it was in 6 months, a year's time. Sticky cookies have a much longer life than the Amazon 24-hour cookie. And also they don't get overridden by new people sending someone to that site. It's you, the original affiliate sender, that gets the money. That's another reason why you don't make much money with Amazon is there's a lack of sales funnel on Amazon. So normally when you send people to a affiliate product on a different affiliate website, they're encouraged to enter their email address in straight away. And that's the first stage of a sales funnel, is capturing someone's email address. So if I sent a customer to a website and they enter their email address but they don't make the purchase, they're going to be emailed again and again and again by the product manufacturer to encourage them to buy the product. But if you send someone to an Amazon page, there's no email capture on that Amazon product page. It's only when they go and pay, when they've made the decision to buy, that they enter their email address. So Amazon isn't actively chasing that sale for you after that visitor's first visit to Amazon. So Amazon isn't working for you to make you more money, whereas other affiliate providers do, because they have a sales funnel in place starting with that email capture form on page number 1. And finally, as I mentioned in the first section when I was describing the Amazon affiliate program, you only get a one-time commission for each sale. So say I send you to Amazon today and you bought that football, I get a commission for that football purchase here and now. But I wouldn't get any money next month and I wouldn't get any money the month later. I just get a one-time commission for that one-time purchase. And that is a problem that other affiliate programs solve. And the final reason why you are not going to make much money on Amazon as you would with other affiliate programs is its low commission rate. If we jump over to my screen now, you'll see the fixed standard program fees. So this basically means how much commission you get paid per sale that you encourage. So you can see here, if you encourage a furniture sale, a lawn and garden product sale, you're going to get 8% of that purchase price sent to you in commission. If you encourage someone to buy some groceries off Amazon, they're going to give you 5% of the order value. If you encourage a PC sale, you're going to get 2.5%. So all of these numbers are under 10% and they're pretty low percentages. And that's another reason why it's difficult to earn much money with Amazon. You're going to have to sell either hundreds or maybe even thousands of products to see substantial money, or sell products which are thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars in price for your tiny commission to actually be enough for you to live off and for it to be a substantial amount in your bank account. So even though I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last 2.5 years, I've been making the majority of my affiliate income from different affiliate programs because there's just limitations on the Amazon affiliate program in place limiting you from making more money. And if you'd like to make more money than is possible than through the Amazon affiliate program, first off, smash that like button, and second off, well, do nothing, because I'm going to tell you right now how you can do it. Okay, so let's keep this short and sweet because I've mentioned a few of these things in the previous sections. But if you want to get into affiliate marketing and you want to make substantial amounts of money through it and commissions that you actually be able to live off, just like I do, you're going to need to look for certain things in the affiliate program, certain criteria to make sure it's a worthwhile program to enter. First off, you want to make sure the commission amount is high, is substantial enough for you to actually make a substantial living off. Like I showed on Amazon, the commissions range between 10 and 2%, but other affiliate programs give you 30, 40, 50, maybe sometimes even 80% of the product sale price as commission. Now, the majority of the programs I use pay at least 30%. And I normally won't look at any affiliate program paying less than 30%. But there's only one exception to this criteria, which I would overlook the 30%, and that is something I'll explain now. So the only instance where I would take on an affiliate program that pays less than 30% is if it's a recurring affiliate program. And what this basically means is you're basically promoting a product that is paid for on monthly subscriptions. And every month, the product manufacturer is going to pay you a commission of that monthly subscription the customer is paying. So say, for instance, I send you to some digital software. So let's just say you go from here and you go and buy Adobe Photoshop, and you're paying $20 a month to use Photoshop. Let's just pretend that Adobe tells me they're going to give me 20% of your subscription every month. So from that $20 a month you're paying, Adobe is going to pay me $4 a month commission every month. Now 20% is obviously lower than 30%. So you might be thinking, why am I going to be taking programs that give a little bit of money when I can get 30, 40, 50%? Well, those 30, 40, 50% commission programs usually only give you a one-time payment. So that's great, you're going to get 30% payment once, but if you can get 20% payment for the next year, every month, over 12 months, that's far more commission you're earning than that one-off 30% payment. So recurring programs are the gold mine of affiliate programs, and they're the ones you should go for. Make the exception on the higher commission rates if it's going to be paying you recurringly every month. And finally, I mentioned this earlier, if you can find an affiliate program with sticky cookies, so this means that the first product you sell as an affiliate, and then any other product they buy from that product manufacturer using the same email address, you're going to get a commission for as well. If you can find a sticky cookie affiliate program, you are in dream world, because you can encourage one sale and then sit back and earn from every other purchase that customer makes. Now, if you want a video detailing a affiliate program that has sticky cookies as one of their features, let me know below by typing sticky cookies and I'll make a video for you on that specific affiliate program. And that is the video, guys. The problem with Amazon affiliate marketing is there's just too many limitations in place, limiting how much money you can make with that program, and basically making it really hard to make a lot of money from them. There's tons of other affiliate programs out there that have got offerings that are going to help you make much more money. And as I said before, if you want to find ways to distribute your affiliate links on YouTube and get big audiences and a big amount of customers, make sure to take my free training by clicking the link below, popping your email address in, and I'll send you that training video on exactly the types of products you should be selling on affiliate marketing, and also the types of videos to make on YouTube to get attention and to get sales. So I just want to leave you with some motivation. It is possible to make a living from this. I started this channel 2.5, 3 years ago now with no knowledge of any of this stuff, and I'm now living full time from mainly affiliate marketing. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Just keep grinding away, keep learning, keep bettering yourself. Go towards the right affiliate programs and you will be fine. And like I said, Amazon is a great affiliate program for beginners. Don't let me write it off completely. If you are just getting started and it's all overwhelming and you just want one affiliate program where you can access tons of different products, then yeah, sure. Start with Amazon. I'll link you through to my Amazon affiliate program walkthrough on how to get signed up and how to start distributing your links. There's a video above this video in the link somewhere here or in the description, so you can find that video. But more importantly than anything, just start, whether it's with Amazon or a different affiliate program. That's the most important thing to do. Start, you'll learn from your mistakes, you'll get better and better, and you'll eventually get to the point where you can live full time off this stuff. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, starting up if you're not already subscribed. As I mentioned earlier, like this video. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. It helps this video get shown to new people and for basically me to grow this audience and grow this community. So I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. See you very soon. My name's Greg. What am I trying to say? It's the end of the video, come on. See you very soon. You've been watching me, Greg, and I'll see you in the next video.